Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. What would our heart crave for when the petrichor of the wet sand after a sharp spell enter our nostrils? Obviously, to indulge in some crunchy, munchy, and piping hot plate of bhajis or bondas with a cup of tea. Yes, today's recipe is one such lip smacking monsoon special onion bondas. Friends, if you like this video and the recipe, yes, you've guessed it right. I may sound like a broken record, but I have to remind you all to like my video, share it with your family and friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it. Come, let's start cooking. For making the onion bondas, first step is to take a pan and add half a teaspoon of aniseed or saunf and roast them over a slow flame to get that nice aroma and pound them into a coarse powder using a mortar and a pestle. If you don't have a mortar and a pestle, you can also pulse them in your mixer because we need a coarse powder but not a fine powder. That is the reason we are doing this way. You can just see the texture, it is coarse. Now I've taken 15 grams of ginger peeled and diced and I'm going to pound the same way. You can also use grated ginger but never use ginger paste. And after pounding we get 1 tablespoon of ginger and keep it aside. Now I have taken 3 onions medium size. Totally they have weighed 240 grams. Cut them into slices like this, medium thickness. Now separate the ones which are stuck to each other this way. Don't slice them very thinly. Slice them, a bit medium size. Now transfer them into a large mixing bowl and to this add chopped green chilies 2 numbers and chopped curry leaves 1 tablespoon. And if you want it less spicier, then you can add just 1 green chili instead of 2. Pound ginger 1 tablespoon. Pound aniseed half a teaspoon. Asafoetida powder or hing 1 by 8 teaspoon. Baking soda 1 by 8 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon. This is to give good color because we are not going to add any food color. So this will give good color. Bengal gram flour or besan 1 cup. And rice flour half a cup for giving that crispiness. And 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. And mix them without adding water because onions contain water, so initially don't add water. Now after mixing it, sprinkle water gradually and keep mixing slowly. The mixture should not be too wet or too dry. I have used quarter cup of water plus I added 2 more tablespoons of water. So totally quarter cup plus 2 tablespoons of water I have used for this. Now the mixture is ready. Take a portion of the mixture and make some loose balls like this. The same way I am doing it, just follow the same method. Don't press very tightly because if you press very tightly, the inner portion will not get cooked when we put them in oil. That is the reason. Now one ball is ready. We can do this other balls the same way. Because when you do like this way, these tiny gaps in the balls will let the oil to penetrate and will cook the inner portion of the bondas. So that is why we are doing this. Now the balls are ready to be fried. Totally there are 10 numbers. Now let's heat the oil for deep frying. After the oil gets heated, drop the balls one by one and simmer the flame and fry them over a slow to medium flame. Maintain the temperature of the oil so that the inner portion of the bondas gets cooked properly and never fry over a high flame, and keep on rotating them so that they are fried evenly. Fry them till they get that golden brown color. Now they are done. Remove them from the oil. Now our crispy and yummy onion bondas are ready. Place them over an absorbent paper to remove the excess oil and serve hot. Friends, thank you all very much for watching this video. Please try this recipe and let me know how it came out by writing your valuable feedback in the comments box. Your feedback will definitely make me improve myself and give you the best videos in the future. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please follow me at my Facebook page and my Instagram page. The links are available in the description box. With lots of love, Sana Kuram.